Hey friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making this amazingly delicious pasta recipe of the spicy butter garlic chicken pasta. So let's quickly get started. So in a pan, adding enough water, and once the water starts to boil, adding in some salt and then the pasta. I'm using here the spaghetti pasta, but if you want you can use any other pasta of your choice. And following the instructions in the box, I'm going to cook this pasta for the time given in the box. You can see it's fully cooked. Now I'm going to drain the excess water through a sieve and run it through cold water and keep it aside. Now it's time to cook the pasta. So in a hot wok, adding the butter and some olive oil. All the measurements are already there in the description box for all of you to follow. Once the butter completely melts, I'm going to add the chopped garlic, letting the garlic turn light golden brown, and thereafter adding dry red chilies. You can add as many dry chilies you want to depending on your spice level. Once everything blends together in the butter, adding chopped onions. I'm going to cook the onions for some time until it turns light golden brown in color. Not going to overcook the onions. Now adding all the spices, the black pepper powder, the chili flakes, cayenne pepper, paprika, and going to mix all of them together. Also, I'm adding some chili oil. This is optional, but it gives an amazing smoky flavor to it. Now I'm going to add the meat. So I'm using your chicken. I have used chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm cooking it for some time, adding salt as per your taste. Let it cook for some time until the chicken gets tender. As it's the butter pasta, so adding one more dollop of butter to it to give an extra buttery flavor. You can see the chicken is well cooked and oil has started to separate from it. Now it's time to add the boiled pasta, which I've already cooked and I had set aside. In low to medium flame, I'm going to mix all the ingredients well together with the pasta. You can see I have also added some more chili oil. I just love the flavor of chili oil. Try it, even you're going to love it for sure. So friends, the pasta is ready. I'm garnishing it with some cilantro leaves, chopped coriander leaves. Mix all of them well together. You can also add some shredded cheese. So this delicious pasta recipe is ready to be served. Do try this recipe out and let me know how was it. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Show Me's World, and see you soon. Bye bye.